Hi guys, welcome to Fox House Creations, where I am bringing back my minis. I've got to get back into my minis. Now I'm showing you this because it has like a bay window in it. Sorry for the shadows, guys. It has like a bay window. And this is what my husband made me that sticks off of this back like so, right? But it takes up all this space. And where I have it sitting on my countertop or on the desk he built for me, it sticks out too far. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this piece apart, and I'm hopefully going to, or I'm going to take cardboard and fill in those gaps. So it'll have a piece inside that'll come out. Right? I'll show you. I'm going to score the corners and cut them so that the cardboard actually sits inside of that gap. And then on the back side, I'll put another piece inside of it. Like it'll be two pieces. One will be a little smaller than the other, but you won't be able to see it. It'll make sense. It will make sense. So that's what I'm going to work on, figuring out how to fix that. And when I do, I'll film it. And hopefully you guys will come along and see how that can be done. And I may just, I don't know. I'm working on that. That's an issue that I'm going to be working on. And so what I've done is I'm selling one of my houses. See, it's a really cute house. This was the first house my husband bought me when I relayed to him that I was like totally into making minis. So I'm getting back into it, guys. I owe it to myself. I may only bring you one video a week, but I promise you it'll be a process video. See that big hole right there? These guys are what goes on it. Right there. So I'm getting rid of the San Franciscan 550. It's for sale. I have it posted here in the neighborhood. And if it doesn't sell, I'm going to donate it to a youth group here. And so it's a little thrift store that caters to youth groups. So if I can't sell it, that's where it's going. But we'll work on this one, and then we're going to work on the room boxes. So hopefully you guys will join me in our adventure of minis.